I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Messenger app is updated and that you're signed into the right account. This avoids missing features. Open the chat whose photo theme you want to change, then tap the name header to reveal settings. Once done, look for the Theme or Customize section. It's where photo options live. Make sure you have the photo ready in your camera roll or recent photos so you can select it without leaving the app and breaking the flow. From Theme or Chat Appearance, choose the photo option to replace default colors. Tap Select Photo and pick the image. Messenger will display crop handles so you can reposition or zoom to focus on the subject. Use pinch gestures and drag to refine the framing, and apply built-in filters if available to ensure legibility of text overlays. Once the preview looks right, confirm Apply to set the photo as the chat background. After applying the photo theme, check the chat to confirm the background updated for you. If you see it, ask one participant to verify too. If others don't see the change, have them update Messenger and restart the app, because cached versions can prevent immediate sync. Make sure the image meets size and format requirements. If problems persist, revert to the default theme and retry with a different photo. One key tip: clearing app cache or reinstalling often resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.